Dave and Line are both designed to help people manage short-term money needs, but they focus on different problems. Dave is built around cash advances and budgeting tools, while Line focuses on providing access to money through its own financial services. By the end, you'll know how Dave and Line compare on features, fees, and which app makes more sense for different situations. The main difference is what each app is designed to do. Dave is known for helping eligible users access money before payday through its Extra Cash feature. It also includes money management features that help users track spending and manage their finances. Line takes a different approach by focusing on providing financial access through its app. The features available depend on your eligibility and the services offered through your account. First, compare the borrowing options. With Dave, the main reason people use the app is to get early access to money when they need help covering expenses before their next paycheck. The app is built around short-term cash flow support. With Line, you need to review the specific features available in your account, because access, limits, and costs can depend on your individual situation. Next, look at the extra tools. Dave includes budgeting features that can help users monitor their money and understand where their spending goes. This makes it more than just a cash advance app. Line may be a better fit for someone who prefers its specific financial tools and wants an app focused around accessing available funds. Fees are another factor to compare. Both apps can have different costs depending on the feature you use and the options available to you. Before choosing, check the fee details shown during SignUp and inside each app. The better choice depends on what you need. Choose Dave if you want an app centered around cash advances with additional budgeting features. Choose Line if its available financial tools and access options match the way you manage your money. Before making a decision, compare eligibility requirements, available features, and total costs based on your own account. That gives you a clearer answer than comparing apps only by their names. To summarize, Dave focuses on early access to money plus budgeting tools, while Line offers its own approach to financial access. Check the features available to you, compare the costs, and choose the app that fits your situation. Subscribe for more simple comparisons of money apps.